Expand your skills with this advanced workshop designed as an extension of the telepathy, intuition, and insight training workshop. So now that you have the telepathy, intuition, and insight, you may want to go more deeply into different skills such as remote viewing, animal communication, mediumship, psychic connection, and reading signs from the universe. So you get to choose. You can choose up to 3 of these that you can do in the workshop. 3 45-minute sessions. And then you're going to learn how to use these abilities in your daily life for personal and professional advantages and growth. Along with these skills and the workshops, you'll also receive recordings and notes so that you can refer to it and practice every day. This is your chance to develop life-enhancing abilities that make a difference. Sign up now.